Welcome to a lounge room tidy up or a good old-fashioned clean with me video. This was part of my Sunday usual homemaking, but I thought let's record it in full and put it together. So there's a video there for those people that like to clean alongside of me. It's approximately 10 minutes long, so hopefully that's enough time for you to get some tasks done, or you can just sit back and enjoy me cleaning up the mess. Our lounge room is a mess. It's become a little bit of a dump all in the last couple of months with trying to declutter things and move things around. I often move things from one spot to the other, and yeah, it just needs a bit of a tidy up. We have also people that have been sitting on couches doing work with laptops while computers are not working, so we've got people going everywhere. So I asked my son for just 15 minutes to tidy up the lounge room a little bit and to film it. So it's why some of the stuff was still on the couch. And then I tidied it up so he could go back to his work. Giving the floor a sweep. Floors always seem so dirty. I'm so grateful that we have wooden floorboards though. It makes it so much easier to keep clean. Just give a bit of a sweep, and I had to make sure that the broom went right underneath the couch because some things just tend to live under there too, which is, yeah, interesting. I also thought I'd give the floor a vacuum. I was going to mop it, but I know that some people would like to return back to the lounge room, so I thought just a quick cleanup will do. I'm using a Dyson stick vacuum. It's a V7 that I got from Big W about 4 or 5 years ago now. It cost me $379 because I waited till it's on special. These are one of the things that come on special every single year without fail. So if you're looking for one, just wait for the mid-year sale and the Black Friday sales. They'll go on special. I still really love mine, but the battery doesn't always last the best, as you can see here. So halfway through it's died, so I need to go plug it in and charge it. The thing that I don't like about the vacuum is that you can't use it while it's plugged in and charging. It has to be fully charged for you to use it. So that's probably the only downside. Charging doesn't take long either, but it's just one of those things. All of a sudden you're in the middle of the job and oh, quick, you've got to go charge it. This white shelf thing I got given by someone in the Buy Nothing group who was in a hurry to get rid of it because they're moving back overseas, and she just basically cleared out her whole house. It barely fit in my car when I picked it up. I had images of having to walk it down the street on a sack truck. It was so funny, but I'm grateful that we do have it. I am just trying to figure out where its forever home will be, because we've got sections of the house, as I said, we've been moving things around, and so we've still got some decluttering to do in some other areas. So once I figure out where its forever home is going to be, I will share that with you, and of course I will take you along on the journey with that as well. I have a pile of material that's here on the table. It's been here for months. I got given a whole heap of pile of material from someone in the Buy Nothing group, and I do want to get into sewing. I'm just trying to find time and space, and we're moving some things around in the house as well, so yes, I need to get a bit more organized. And my son has requested this table have access so he can build some of his Gundam model things that he has, and I was like, yep, absolutely, thank you for asking, because it helps me get motivated to tidy it up. So that's what I'm just doing here. I'm trying to figure out a logical way of put all the materials in the boxes for their drawers back for the shelves in my office. I was trying to do by colour and then go, oh, I'll remember this is like a red, orange, yellow blocks and then a blue, green, purple. But I ran out of space really quickly, so I fill up these two and then I have to go off and get another two down the track. This table has seen better days. It's been outside, it's been in the rain, it's been in the shed. The top of it has had some water damage, and then there's some bubbles in some areas, and then it settled down, and then one week it was like, actually it doesn't look too bad. Then the following week I was like, no, that's terrible. And I even bought some white contact from an op shop. So excited to have found some. I don't know where it is, because I was going to put the contact over the table, because the table was going to be the base for me to do some junk journaling and film it. I don't know where anything is right now, so it's also why we're in the process of cleaning and tidying up. So also the lounge room, as I said, is a bit of a dump hole. So we've got the old couple of clothes horses that pretty much live in here, because the children use it to dry their clothes, because it's just a lot easier. We pretty much never have anyone visit us, so the lounge room just lives the way that it does. I'm fine with it, honestly. And then just putting away, I found my cardigan earlier that I've been looking for a couple of weeks. Funny about that. And then we've just got a blanket that's just a bit of a throw rug. So I'm just going to fold that up and put it on the back of the couch. And then the air mattress is here. That was here last time we had someone stay over, which I'm pretty sure was a couple of months ago now. Yep, so folding that up and getting rid of the last of the air, which was a little bit fun, not going to lie, and then go and put that away also with the pump. I sometimes struggle when I'm cleaning. Let me know if you do similar. I tend to just move things from spot to spot, and I know that they say everything has its place, but some things are not mine, and I don't want to move anything that's not mine and get anybody upset, so I just kind of keep moving stuff from one side to the other. And also sometimes people need a visual to see that the thing still exists before they kind of decide what to do with it. So for now we'll just move it back to the table. Some of my craft stuff was still sitting here on the chair that again has been here for a couple of months, and then I have a bag here of stuff to go to Savers to be recycled. When I did the last Savers video, I took all this with me, so I'm happy that I got some more stuff to go out of the house. And there was just some other random rubbish and a couple of shopping bags and bits and pieces, so I went and put all of those away where they belonged. some more sweeping of the floor. It seems never ending. As soon as you move something, more dirt seems to accumulate in the area, but I'm happy for now. It wasn't much, but it was just a couple of little jobs that have been wanting and needing to have get done for quite a while, so at least that's one more thing ticked off the list. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this really helped you. Let me know down below, and if you cleaned along with me, let me know what you cleaned. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.